beautiful souls. So as I talked in the first session, if you want to achieve a long, happy and healthy life, you need to learn how to live according to the laws of the nature. So we talked about last session about the first law of the nature, and that is that every thought is creative. Today we'll talk about the second law of the nature. So the second law of the nature is that you attract what you fear. So emotion is the power which attracts. So the more you fear, basically, the more you'll attract what you fear. And all fears are usually related to something that happened in the past or something that might happen in the future, but they are not related to the present moment. And the present moment is beautiful as it is, because there is no fear in the present moment. In the present moment, there is only pure love. Humans are born with two fears. The fear of failing and the fear of loud noises. All other fears are basically learned from others. So what actually happened was that in our early childhood, most of us have learned those fears from the significant people around them. So basically, we have been taught that in order to survive and to succeed in life, we have to be better than others. We have to be smarter than others. So in other words, we have to do more, we have to have more, achieve more, be more than others. So by having these fears and beliefs about ourselves, whenever we would perceive ourselves as something less than this, then we would fear. We would fear loss, we would fear failure, we would fear that we are not good enough based on the perceptions that and expectations that others have imposed on us. But the purpose in life is not to win, to compete with others, or to be smarter than others, or to achieve more material possessions than others. The purpose in life is to experience the fullest glory of who you really are. And to experience the fullest glory of who you really are, you need to think and act out of love all the time, because that's who you really are. So fear, in essence, is the energy which contracts, hides, closes down, attacks, hurts. Love, on the other hand, is the energy which expands, gives, heals. Fear attacks, love heals. Fear holds on material possessions and stuff. Love expands by sharing. So those people who live in fear basically cannot really live fully. And the healing of those people is basically consists of replacing all their fears with love. So if you choose thoughts based on fear, they will produce one kind of experience in your reality. But if you choose other kinds of thoughts based on love, they will produce the opposite, completely different experience in your reality. And remember that you are responsible for your feelings and your experiences. So, which ones are you going to choose? Thoughts based on fear or thoughts based on love? The choice is only yours. I wish you a loving day.